Want to set up Discover mobile app? Here's the fastest step-by-step guide. Step 1. Download the app. Head to the App Store or Google Play, search for Discover Mobile, and install the app. Step 2. Open the app and log in. If you already have a Discover account, just enter your user ID and password. If not, tap Register to create one. You'll need your account number, date of birth, and the last four digits of your social security number. Step 3. Secure your account. Set up multi-factor authentication. Discover will send you a code by text or email. Enter it to confirm your identity. This step protects your account from unauthorized access. Step 4. Customize your settings. Inside the app, you can set up Face ID or fingerprint login. Enable push notifications and choose alerts for transactions, due dates, or suspicious activities. Step 5. Explore the features. And that's it. Setting up your Discover mobile app only takes a few minutes, and once you're done, you'll have full control of your card and account right from your phone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.